For this would be here just half of the radius of the tympanic membrane, if you remember, because this stria is in the upper part. And we have still a significant part below. So it means the surface of the tympanic membrane is much bigger than the surface of the over window. Good? So when you want to walk in the snow, what do you do? You see, you can put on your foot some big, surface to disperse your weight, okay, on the larger surface. That's why you don't push the snow in a small area with so big force. Got it? If we increase the surface, the force will be dispersed. So it means, in this case, the opposite. We have a large, surface, and this is concentrate in a small one with the smaller surface of the incus. Stapes. Okay, so it means the force which hits the malleus with the tympanic membrane and this with airwave is reinforced by the reduced surface of the stapes here. It is, I think, 17 times bigger force here. Okay, so significant. Everybody understand it? Okay. The other thing, what you have to consider, the difference in the length of the manubrium and the longus. The manubrium is 1.3 times longer than the length of the longus. So, if we have a common axis and we have two forces, if we multiply this length with, let's say, force 1, and this is 1.3 times shorter, then the force which is provided by this is 1.3 times bigger. So here we have a factor, again, which amplifies the force from outside. So altogether we have a 1.3 and a 17 factor. If you multiply them 22, so we have a 22 times amplification here between the force of the airwaves and the tympanic membrane and the force here created on the traveling wave on the perilymphatic space. Okay, good? Got it? One is because of the surface difference, tympanic membrane versus basis of the stapes. The other is because of the difference in length of the two parallelly moving, swinging processes. The manubrium or handle of the malleus 1.3 times longer than the longus of the incus. That's why the force is amplified by 1.3 times if we have a common axis. That is from physics. Okay, I don't want to explain it because I'm not so good in physics, but it's okay. So this is okay. That would be the stapes otherwise, and okay. So this is what I wanted to tell about the movements. Okay, you have to know the axis, and you have to explain. You have to be able to explain these amplifications.